Hey, so welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your brakes. So here's the brakes on my Rad e-bike. It's got the disc brakes here, and just over time it's been getting very loose. So as you can show you right now, as I pull my rear brake lever, you see that's actually at the very end when it actually starts biting into the brakes right there. And there's all that slack where nothing's happening until the very end. So I'm just going to show you how to fix this issue in this video. In the front, it's a little better just because I don't use the front brakes as much, but it does also still need some adjusting. So as you can see here is my rear brake caliper, and that's actually the point where it actually starts biting. So there's all this slack where nothing's actually happening when I'm pulling the lever. And as you can see here, this is the brake cable, and what you're going to need to do is get an Allen tool and release that caliper bolt. Okay, so I'm going to get an Allen tool, as you can see here, and I'm going to loosen that caliper brake cable bolt. So now I've gotten it loose. I'm just going to loosen it up where it's loose enough where I can pull the brake cable to remove the slack, which is what I'm doing right now. So once you've removed the slack, you can go ahead and tighten the Allen bolt, as I'm doing right now. And you want to make sure this is very tight, because you can imagine if it's not tight, then you're going to lose your brakes. Okay, so now as you can see, the slack is gone. Here's a comparison of before and after. You can see before there's all that slack there where nothing's happening, and now after, straight to just braking. Here we go. Slack is gone. Works perfectly. So now onto the front brakes. We'll do the same thing on the front brakes. You can see there's a lot of movement here where nothing's happening, and I'm going to use the same Allen tool to loosen the caliper cable bolt. Once it's loose, pull on the cable, remove the slack. So you just slide in to remove the slack, and once it's in the right position, you just tighten the bolts. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.